guys, Josh bringing you another video blog for you guys today. Today I haven't gotten a mail the electrical kit for my Proton pack right here, which basically you can actually see if I bring this up a little bit. This is my new stand right here for the DeLorean and for all my little knickknacks right here. And now this stuff right here is not going to be on here, but I just got it on here just for now. And a good permanent home for my Proton pack right there, as you see. Now, this right here, I want to be taking it off and putting it right up in here so I can get the electrics in it. But here's the electrics right here. I want to go ahead and open it for you guys and see how it looks and see and hook it all up. And yeah, let's see. Now, I just got this in the mail. I never opened it, so let's go ahead and. Now, also while I'm trying to open this right here, I wanted to tell you guys a little something about what FedEx is doing right now. Now, I was supposed to receive it yesterday, but I never received it. But they said they're going to deliver it on Tuesday, which is actually was supposed to be delivered today, which is fine with me because I want to have it so I can put it together. Well, it turns out they are unable to deliver it, and my new desk, which is going to be my work area, which is like this, and also my computer desk, that's going to have my 3D printer on and everything, was supposed to be delivered today. It was actually supposed to be delivered yesterday, but now they've postponed it till on Tuesday. So I don't know when or how I'm going to be getting it. If they expanded it more, then I'm just going to have to call them or call the company that I actually ordered it from and tell them, say, hey, either send it or we're not going to because this is why I don't like FedEx. That's my little. And also, oh wow, I can tell that this is in the individual box. So let's go ahead and try to get some of this out. Oh, it's a little stuck because of the tape right here. I'm just trying to find my knife right here so I can cut this right here. Trying not to cut my finger again. I swear when I was working on this right here, I end up cutting my fingers constantly with everything, trying to clean some stuff off. There it goes. Now maybe we can get this open. Oh wow, it's in visual boxes. Oh sweet. It's actually in 3. Cool. Okay, let's go ahead and start with one of these. So I know that one of these boxes is for the I know one of these is actually for the wand. One of them is for this, and the other one is also for this. So let's go ahead and see what this one is. So I'm going to go ahead and angle the camera. Let me set this up. Okay, guys, I hope you guys can see that because I cannot see on my screen because I have a screen protector on it to where it's good for theft but let's go ahead and open up this box first. Looks like this is something. But looks like this is to the wand itself. Everything looks, oh yeah, look at this. They actually give some nice detail to it. Hopefully it came with some directions. This looks like the cable for the top, and look at that. There's the one for that right there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I might have to solder some stuff, but let's see what this actually looks like. That's one box. This looks like for the for the Proton pack itself. Okay, so there's those. And it looks like it came with some... Oh, wow, look at that. There's actually that right there. But it looks like there's some soldering iron to where I have to do, or maybe those are just screw holes. Who knows? And here's some cones. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, look at the speaker. The speaker even looks nice. Yeah, it looks like I have to solder some stuff. So I don't have soldering iron right now. But there's the volume control too. So that's pretty good. But although I'm really impressed with this, and this looks like it's for the battery, which I don't have. Which actually it shows the battery, but oh boy. So this is what I got myself into. So basically, you guys, I'm not going to go ahead and open this because there's the speaker. However, here's some more stuff, which I'm actually impressed with the on and off switch. I mean the volume. This looks like the circuitries. Looks like the switch to the battery. This looks like for the power cell. And this right here, I don't know what these are, but maybe I could take a look at their online and see what they have. And this looks like it's for that. I'm very impressed with this. I tell you what. Now what I'm going to do, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and see how this actually will look and see how it will function on some parts I got. So let's go ahead and get cracking. Okay guys, I'm just giving you like a little quick update. I had to stop the camera right now just to get everything started. So this is how far I got done on this right here. I got the light installed on this. I got the trigger right there mounted to this, but there's no trigger that goes to this. I don't know if he forgot to send it. I don't know. I have to take a look at the diagram or whatever, but he did not send me that, which I thought maybe he forgot or something, but I figured out what this part goes to. It goes to this right here to extend this out a little bit. So what I had planned on doing is I plan on sticking this on very tightly and grab this part so I can stick it in, but I have to take that part out for me to do that, which it's so tight in there it's not going to come out. So what I plan on doing, I plan on just leaving this and just plan having the setup of what I got right now. But I was right about one thing. This right here does not fit this right here. If I stick this, it's 1/4 of an inch off. So here's what I'm planning on doing. I'm planning on making the holes bigger. That way they can have room to wiggle and use a big thick black washer. Just that way they can fit in there. Now, if I can get the wand pretty much together, I'll be a happy camper. I won't be, but I got to go ahead and get pretty much this right here started. That way I can go ahead and say, you know what, I got the wand done. I will get the Proton pack pretty much done, but I can't test everything because I don't have. But this, I don't know what this is for, so I'm just going to save it for now. So I'm going to stop the camera again and get to work on this, and hopefully see you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys, I am exhausted right now. It's just about, I don't know, probably last time I looked on my phone, it was about 2 o'clock. I've been working on this for about 3 hours now, and basically, this is how far I got. I got the wire through, so that's pretty done. I have to button this up right here. This I'm just going to leave and just put like a small bolt into it. That way it looks like something. But I'm going to get another kit pretty soon, and I even got the light in there to make it shine. And I got this right here, but I'm going to leave the vents pretty much opened. I got basically all this right here buttoned up. So the wand is pretty much done. Now the only thing I have to do now is look about getting the pack itself done. Now I think I might say that for another video, but what I might end up doing is I might end up seeing of how much I need to do. Clean up my little mess here, because this is not exactly an easy kit. It's not. I thought it was going to be a piece of cake. I thought it was just going to be simple, put on, go. But if we happen to take a look at the battery core for the battery, it looks like it doesn't have a battery for it. It does have volume control, which I like to see, but it don't have exactly a battery, so I have to order a battery. It does come with a speaker, which I'm happy about that. The connectors for the speaker is right here somewhere. I basically have to put some of the parts into here. He did give us like this right here. Let me see if I can find, here it is. That's what I was looking for. This. Let's go ahead and open this up right here. I know that I'm kind of chancing it because I should have just wait and got the other kit from somewhere else, but this is the circuit board right here, which actually breaks into 3 parts. So let me see if I can break this into it won't break. I might have to get my pliers for that, which I don't know where they are. But I hope you guys liked the video. I'm sorry that you guys cannot even see me putting this together, but I just want to give you guys a quick update that this Proton pack is going to be pretty much done. It's going to be off my bucket list to make room for more projects, but I'm just glad that I'm going to be getting this pretty much done. I just have to get a battery for it, which I don't have. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey guys, you think I was going to end the video like that? Now, it's just been about 3 more hours, and it's almost to that time. But I happen to got this pretty much finished, but I want to show you guys some of the damage that actually came to. Like, right around here, this is missing. This broke right off a little bit, but that's easy to fix. There's a hole right here, which I gotta fix, and there's this right here I'm going to fix right here. And I'm not going to worry about patching up that hole because that right there I'm going to do something with. So basically, I got the volume control in, all the electricals. Here's this right here for the battery right here, but I actually got it hooked up to the wall right now. So I want to show you guys of what this exactly sounds like. And you see it kind of, you see that right there doing that. And if we do it again, that's charged. So we can push this button right here. And this sounds pretty cool, huh? So basically, this is pretty much done. I just have to get a couple of parts fixed on it. I got to patch up a couple holes. And basically, it's pretty much done. So, hope you guys like this video. And hope you guys like the journey of me restoring this right here and upgrading it. I hope guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.